Yesterday we discussed the way of adding and subtracting logarithmic values from one another with bar values also. Right? Today let's have multiplication and division ideas, and furthermore with the help of those simplifications we can solve multiplication and division of very small number or very large number, including the numbers between 0 and 1. Right? Okay, let's consider. Now addition, subtraction, I think no trouble. Now when you have multiplication, in multiplication also we have done an example last time. Let's do one more. Now let's say bar 1.3805. If you multiply it by 5, let's say, or let's have 3, right? If you multiply 3 into 5, 15, 1 remaining. 3 into 0, 0. Therefore, that 1 remains here. 3 into 8, 24, 2 remaining. And 3 into 3, 9 plus 2, 11, 1 remaining. That decimal point here, but positive 1 remains. 3 into bar 1. 3 times bar 1 is bar 3. 3 times bar 1 is bar 3. Therefore, bar 3 is there. Bar 3 means minus 3, but already positive 1 also there. Minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. Minus 2 means in log notation we call that is bar 2. Right? 3 into 5, 15, 1. 3 into 0, 0, therefore 1. 3 into 8, 24, 2 remains. 3 into 3, 9 plus 2, 11. 1 remains. 3 into bar 1, bar 3 plus 1 is bar 2. So answer is bar 2.1415 like that. Right? Then when you have this idea in divisions, when we simplify logarithmic values using some values, let's say for division. Now this is multiplication. Next one, division. Let's say bar 2.4854. Right. If this value is divided by, let's say, simple number 2. Right, first we'll do the ease division, right? Then if you divide division, you can do bar 2.4854 by 2, no doubt here. Out of bar 2, 2 is 1 times or bar 1 times. That means 2 into 1 positive. But if you need bar 2, this should be bar 1 times. So 2 times bar 1 is bar 2. Therefore, 2 times bar 1 is bar 2. That is over. That is over. Then decimal point here. Next number 4. Out of 4, 2 is 2 times. No doubt. Then simply you can do 8. Out of 8, 2 is 4 times. No remaining. Then next 5. Out of 5, 2 is 2 times 4. 5 minus 4, 1 remains. Then out of 14, 2 is 7 times. So this answer, bar 1.2427. Conversely, you can check multiplication also. Division, inverse operation is multiplication. Now we got this answer as bar 1.2427. Let's check. If you multiply this answer by 2, that answer will be there. Let's check. 2 into 7, 14, 1 remaining. 2 into 2, 4, plus 1, 5. 2 into 4, 8. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into bar 1, bar 2. Inverse operation, we can check. Right? Next, if there are values which are not the exact multiples of this divisor. For example, when it is 2, even if it is bar 3 or bar 1 or bar 5, that means if this bar value is not a multiple of this divisor at that time, how we are going to do that division? So that thing is also important here. So here we got this answer. Number 3, you see now. Here, bar 3.4182. 4182. So write it down. Bar 3.4182. Let's divide this number by 2 again. Right? Now the bar value is 3. Bar 3, we have to divide it into two portions, but number of times in bar 3 is only bar 1 times. Right? Out of bar 3, 2 is bar 1 times. That means 2 into bar 1 is bar 2. Bar 2. Now remaining is bar 1. Bar 2 minus bar 1 is, sorry, bar 3 minus bar 2. Bar 3 minus bar 2 is bar 1. But we are not able to connect this number here. Here, if you write it here by keeping the decimal up, bar 1 remains. If you write this 4 in this line, how can we read? Now that's the trouble. So in this situation, we are going to use the technique. You see now, in one line division you can do here. Let's check. Out of bar 3, bar 1, now 2 is bar 1 times. Anyhow, bar 1 will be remains. So first we are going to make this bar value as the multiple of this divisor. First work is we check whether this bar value is the perfect multiple of the divisor. Here it is not, but by giving a bar 1 here, we can make it bar 4. By giving bar 1 to bar 3, we can make this bar 3 as bar 4. Right? That is important. Right. Bar 3.4182. We are going to divide by 2. Right. So, as I told, first work is making this bar value as a multiple of divisor. Now, divisor is 2. Okay. By making it as the multiple of divisor, that can be bar 4. So to make this bar 3 as bar 4, we have to give bar 1 here. We need bar 1. But we have to cancel that also. So while giving bar 1, you can give plus 1 also. Giving bar 1 and take plus 1. That means give and take policy. Finally, nothing is given. Bar 1 and plus 1. Right? Minus 1 plus 1 cancel. So, for making this simplification more easier, first we make this bar 3 as bar 4 because it is a multiple of 2. Right. Now have bar 3, we have given bar 1, totally it is bar 4. Then out of bar 4, you are clear, 2 is bar 2 times. Out of bar 4, 2 is bar 2 times. Therefore, it's clear, 2 times bar 2, bar 4, this will be okay now. While giving this bar 1, we got plus 1 now. You can use that plus 1 here. You can use that plus 1 here because when you bring 1 here, this becomes 14 now. When you bring or when you borrow 1 from the previous digit, that makes the other one as 14 now in this case. Right? Plus 1 comes here and makes it as 14. So out of 14, 2 is 7 times. No remainder. Out of 1, 2 is not there, therefore it is 0. Now with these two, 18. Out of 18, 2 is 9 times. And out of 2, 2 is 1 time. Right? Again, I'm telling. Earlier we have bar 3. But bar 3 is not the exact multiple of this divisor 2. So we make this value as the perfect multiple of the divisor 2. So for that we have to give bar 1. So finally it becomes bar 3 plus bar 1, bar 4. Now that is a multiple. While giving bar 1, we use plus 1 also to balance it. Right? So plus 1 minus 1 cancels. Finally, we didn't do any change. But for the betterment of this simplification, we use that. Right. So by giving bar 1, here it's bar 4. So answer is bar 2. 2 times bar 2 is bar 4. That's clear. Then we borrow plus 1 from that for this mantissa part of the logarithm. So then that becomes 14. Out of 14, 2 is 7 times. Next, out of 1, 2 is not there, therefore 0. Then with this, it will be 18. Out of 18, 2 is 9 times. Then out of 2, 2 is 1 times. It will check again the inverse operation, multiplication. Let's say 2 into 1, 2. 2 into 9, 18, 1 remaining. 2 into 0, 0, therefore that remaining. 2 into 7, 14, 4 here, 1 remains. That one is plus 1. That one is plus 1. 2 into bar 2 is bar 4. Bar 4 plus 1. Bar 4 and the remaining plus 1. Here bar 4 minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3. No? Minus 3 means in logarithm that is bar 3. So answer is bar 3 here. Okay, this is a way of dividing. Let's have one more. Number 4. Here, bar 3.0585. Let's divide it by 5. How much? Bar 3 is there, it's not the multiple of 5. So we have to give how much? Bar 2. If you give bar 2 here, we are taking plus 2 also. Finally, it cancels. So, bar 3 and bar 2 totally bar 5. Out of bar 5, 5 is bar 1 times. Out of bar 5, 5 is bar 1 times. This is over now. Now, we are taking plus 2 instead of that bar 2. That 2 makes it 20. Out of 25 is 4 times. Out of 5, 5 is 1 time. Out of 8, 5 is 1 time. Remaining 3. Then with that, this will be 35. Out of 35, 5 is 7. Right? To make this bar 3 as the multiple of 5, that is bar 5, we get bar 2. Then to balance it, we get plus 2 also. Right? So bar 5, 5 is bar 1 times. Here 2 makes it 20, therefore 4 times, 1 times. Out of 8, 5 is 1 times. Remaining 3, then out of 35, 5 is 7 times. Let's multiply it now. 5 into 7, 35, 3 remaining. 5 into 1, 5 plus 3, 8. 5 into 1 is 5. 5 into 4 is 20. 0 here, 2 remaining, that is plus 2. 5 into bar 1 is bar 5. Bar 5 plus 2 is bar 3. Bar 5 plus 2 is bar 3. So, in this manner, you can divide logarithmic values with positive or negative characteristic. Positive, even if it is positive characteristic, no trouble. You can find it. So, now you can think where we use this kind of divisions in logarithm. Because of the numbers in between 0 and 1, we should use these steps according to the situation, according to the type of the question asked. Okay, let's have this note first. Then we will do some multiplication and divisions in logarithmic values. Okay, children. Aquatic environment. Aquatic environment. Next is aquatic environment has different color treatment able to conduct photosynthesis. That's a photosynthesis. So we call like autotrophic organisms or primary producers of aquatic environment. So most of the food chain is the food that initiates from the right. I'll raise number 1 and number 2. Right. Simplify. Unicellular and the multicellular structure body. Unicellular layer. Here we First one 2.1456 into 3 positive values. Right, 5 multiplications. Now you can continue.
Most of the alga being microscopic structure, but some out of the ulva, like ulva on the field, ulva able to visible to men. Ulva on the alga, they directly cannot part of the brain. Ulva able to visible to the eyes. But okay. Here is the example, Leiomonas, Pyrolida, Darkness, Ulva. Now, starting the locomotive, first time, they make a door. Take a photograph. What will be just about feature lab? First time feature lab. Unicellular or multicellular structured body. Unicellular or multicellular structured bodies.
Right, 5 multiplication and 3 divisions. Here I think it's enough because while using logarithmic tables for the simplification of numbers also we can do this further simplification. Therefore, first we'll discuss 8 questions. You try to get your answers.
cannot divide into the sectors.
Right, I think first one, no doubt. Number 1, 2.1456 multiplied by 3. 3 into 6, 18, 1. 3 into 5, 15 plus 1, 16. 1, 3 into 4, 12 plus 1, 13, 1. 3 into 1, 3 plus 1, 4. Then 3 into 2, 6. Positive answer, therefore no doubt. Simple multiplication. Second one, bar 1.7081 by 2. Multiplication. 2 into 1 is 2. 2 into 8, 16. Remaining 1. 2 into 0, 0. Therefore that 1. 2 into 7, 14. 4 here, 1 remaining plus 1. 2 into bar 1 is bar 2. Bar 2 plus 1 is bar 1. Bar 2 plus 1 is bar 1. So bar 1.4162 is the answer for the second question. 3, 4, 5 you can answer in the same place. Let's check. 3 into 9, 27, 2 remaining. 3 into 1, 3 plus 2, 5. Right? Then 3 into 0, 0. 3 into 8, 24, 2 remaining. That is plus 2. Plus 2 remains. 3 into bar 2 is bar 6. 3 times bar 2 is bar 6. But plus 2 is there. Bar 6 plus 2 is bar 4. Bar 6 plus 2 minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4. Therefore, it's bar 4. Right. Next one. 5 into 1, 5. 5 into 9, 45, 4 remaining. 5 into 9, 45 plus 4, 49. Gain 4 remaining. 5 into 4, 20 plus 4, 24, 2 remaining. Then that's plus 2. 5 into bar 1 is bar 5. 5 times bar 1 is bar 5. But 2 remains. Bar 5 plus 2 is bar 3. Bar 5 plus 2 is bar 3. That's the answer for the question number 4. Then number 5, that also multiplication. 7 into 3, 21, 2 remaining. 7 into 1, 7 plus 2, 9. 7 into 0, 0. 7 into 9, 63, 6 remaining plus 6. And 7 into bar 1 is bar 7 plus 6. Bar 7 plus 6 is bar 1. Bar 7 plus 6 is bar 1. So, multiplication. Then division. First division you can do without any trouble. Second and third you have to give bar values. Then instead of those two bar values, we have to make positive equal values also. Right? Let's have out of bar 2, 2 is bar 1 times this answer. Out of bar 2, 2 is bar 1. This is over. 2 times bar 1 is bar 2. That's okay. Decimal point. Out of 1, 2 is not there. Therefore 0. Then with that it's 10. Out of 10, 2 is 5 times. No remaining. Then 3. Out of 3, 2 is 1 times. 2 into 1, 2. So 1 remaining. With that, this will be 18. Out of 18, 2 is 9 times. So when dividing bar 2.103 by 2, your answer will be bar 1.0519. Right. Next one. Here we have to make the change. Divisor is 4, but this answer is bar 3. To make it as a multiple of this divisor, you have to give bar 1 to this because the first multiple of 4 is bar 4 here. So giving bar 1 and taking plus 1 from there. So now this is bar 4. Out of bar 4, 4 is bar 1 times. Bar 1 times. Okay, this is okay. Now taking this plus 1 here, this one becomes 11 now. Out of 11, 4 is 2 times. 4 into 2, 8. Remaining 3, with that this will be 33. Out of 33, 4 is 8 times. 4 into 8, 32. So 1 remains again. With that one, this becomes 14. Out of 14, 4 is 3 times. 4 into 3 is 12. If you subtract 12 from 14, answer is 2. Then with that 2, this number will be 28. Then out of 28, 4 is 7 times. Now this division is over. 4 decimal values. Mantissa and the characteristic of this logarithm. Right. Let's check it by the multiplication. 4 into 7, 22 remaining. 4 into 3, 12 plus 2, 14, 1 remaining. 4 into 8, 32 plus 1, 33, 3 remaining. 4 into 2, 8 plus 3, 11, 1 remaining. And 4 into bar 1 is bar 4 plus 1 is bar 3. No trouble. Right? Next one, number 8. Let's check. Here, bar 1 is there, but the multiple of 3 will be bar 3. So, to make this value as bar 3, we have to give 2 more bar. That means bar 2 is needed. Bar 2 is needed. At that time, we need plus 2 also to cancel that operation. Right. Now, this first answer is bar 3. Out of bar 3, 3 is bar 1 times. Then this is over. Then 2 here, that 2 makes this 0. 20 out of 23 is 6 times 3 into 6, 18. Remaining 2. Then 21. Out of 21, 3 is 7. 3 into 7, 21 over. Out of 0, 3 is not there, therefore 0. Then next digit 5. So out of 5, 3 is 1 time. 3 into 1, 3. Remaining 2. Then by keeping zeros, and then you can continue this decimal. But you see, 4 decimal places enough in this. Right? Okay. So this answer bar 1.6701. So you can stop at the 4th decimal because in logarithmic table also we use only 4 decimal places as mantissa. Right. So the basic simplifications using all 4 basic mathematical operations we did up to now. Hereafter we are going to check how these simplifications help us when simplifying numbers using logarithmic tables. Okay, I clean this. Right. You know the indices, right? When you write a number as powers, we are having indices also. Actually, this lesson starts with that. Indices and logarithms, you know that, right? Already you are very familiar with those lessons. In this grade 11 lesson, in indices part, we are going to have some different, that means rational indices. That means if the index of a base, is in the form of a fraction, or we call that is in the exponential form, right? Here, when you have, let's say now, x is a value that is equal to 4.5 square, right, into square root of 0.95. Now there's a multiplication of 2 values. 4.5 squared into square root of 0.95. So first work is considering the logarithm. Let's say log x is equal to log 4.5 to the power 2 into 0.95. Square root means it has the index half. You know that fact. Square root means index half. Cubic root means index 1/3. Like that. Fifth root means index 1/5. You know, when you write this, square means index 2, square root means index 1/2. That is inverse operation. Right? Okay, so consideration of logarithm clear. Thereafter, expansion. Application of logarithmic rule, you see, when there's a product of values, then the sum of the separate logarithms, therefore log 4.5 to the power 2. Because of this multiplication, logarithm will be plus. Then logarithm of 0.95 to the power half. So, you know, when there's a power that comes in front, therefore 2 times log 4.5 plus this half comes in front, half of log. At the same time, you can write it in scientific notation, that will be 9.5 into 10 to the power. How many places? One place to the right, so negative 1. Then you can write this is 2 times log 4.5 can be found using your logarithmic tables. You try to use your logarithmic table and find the value for that. 4.5, logarithm of 4.5. You check your answer. 0.6532. 0.6532. First idea. Plus half of logarithm of this value. You know, this negative one becomes bar 1 when logarithm is taken. Then logarithm of 9.5 is 0.9777. Check your answer. Right? Now what? Multiplication. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 3, 6. 2 into 5, 10. 1 remaining. 2 into 6, 12 plus 1, 13. 1. So 2 into 0, 0. Therefore that one. So this answer 1.3064. Right. Plus half of that value. That means we divide this value by 1.9777 by 2. How can you divide? That's what we are giving that bar 1 and that. For this only, we use that division, right? Even if it is difficult to divide here, you can write it separately and find the answer. Then you can put here, right? When you divide this value by 2, you need one more bar. So we have to give bar 1 and take plus 1. Bar 1, bar 1, bar 2. So out of bar 2, 2 will be bar 1 times. You try to get your answer. Out of bar 2, 2 is bar 1 time. Then we give 1. Therefore 19. Out of 90, 2 is 9 times. 2 into 9, 18. 1 remaining. Then 17. 2 is 8 times. 2 into 8, 16 plus 1 remaining. Again 17. 8 times. 1 remaining. Again 17. 8 times. 1 remaining. That continues. Anyhow, 4 decimal places. Enough. Then addition of them. You see now. We use multiplication of values, division of values, and we are going to add again. Because even if it is division, you will have to subtract it also. So all four basic operations are very important when solving or when simplifying numbers using logarithms. Right? Shall we add now? 4 plus 8, 12, 1 remaining. 6 plus 1, 7 plus 8, 15, 1 remaining. Here 1 plus 8, 9. 3 plus 9, 12, 1 remaining. Right? Answer will be 1. How? This one and bar 1 cancels. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel. Already that one remains. That will be here. So, this is what logarithm of x. And we need x. Right? What is x? If you want to find x, that will be antilog. Antilog of 1.2952. This is you know very clear. 1 means 10 to the power 1 into this answer you can find 2952 and the antilogarithm 2952. I think 2945 is there. So this answer will be 1.973. Is it? 1.973. 1.973. Finally, it will be one place to write 19.73 is the answer. 19.73. Right. So here we applied basic mathematical operations with bar values. That means simplifying logarithmic values under the basic for mathematical operations and apply them while using logarithmic tables and the continuous calculations. Right. Now, I think you may understood the way of using it. Number one is this, you take as not. Then second one, you try yourself. Let's say y is equal to, if I write this, if we use 3 here, that means this is the third root. That means cubic root of, let's say,
Each group of microorganisms,
0.82
each group of microorganisms,
8215, let's say. 8215. Cubic root of that.
pathogenic process.
So what? Consideration of logarithm first. Logarithm of y is equal to logarithm of this number and the cubic root of that. That is 1/3. So 0.8215 to the power 1/3 there. Now you can continue. This 1/3 comes in front. Log scientific notation, that's 8.215 into 10 to the power 1 place back, therefore -1. Now you can continue here, writing the logarithm and 1/3 is there. You try.
List out the locomotive parts of list out
If you have any doubts, you can talk.
following microorganisms. Following microorganisms. Following microorganisms. First is amoeba. Leukemia, paranoia. Leukemia, paranoia. So what do you mean by the subset? The subset or an environment which is more suitable to grow microorganisms that is known as subset of microorganisms.
Next question for you. M is equal to cubic root of 7.23 upon 0.056. Cubic root of 7.23. That cubic root is common for both numerator and denominator of that fraction. Right. Let's check this answer. 1/3 of 10 to the power -1, therefore it's bar 1 point. Then logarithm of 8.215. 8.215. What is the answer? 8.215. That means 9146. 9146. If there's a change, tell me. Right? Then 1/3 of this bar 1.9146. So we have to divide this answer by 3. How to divide? Bar 1.9146 by 3. How much you need for this? To make it as a simple multiple of this bar value, you need bar 2 to be given. Right? Bar 2 and bar 1 becomes bar 3, therefore it will be okay. At the same time, you have to give plus 2 also, right? Out of bar 3, 3 is bar 1 times. Then 2 makes it value 29. So out of 29, 3 is 3 into 9, 27. Remaining 2, then 21. In this 21, 3 is 7 times. Right? No remaining. Out of 4, 3 is 1 times. 3 into 1, 3. Remaining 1. With that, this will be 16. Out of 16, 3 will be 5. Then 1 is remaining, that will be continue, but no use of that because in logarithmic table we are having only up to 4 decimal places, right? Now this answer bar 1.9715, so this is equal to bar 1.9715, that's equal to log y, then it becomes antilog, y becomes antilog of bar 1.9715. 9715. Then final answer, bar 1 becomes 10 to the power negative 1 when it is in antilog 9715. What is the answer? 9715. Antilog of 9715. Meat, fishes, vegetables. Meat, fishes, vegetables. Right. You find and tell the answer. One of you tell the answer. Logajen, can you answer please? Logajen, unmute and answer. Are you there? Logajen? Have you got the answer? Who is next? Jaswandika, can you answer please?
Yes, sir.
What is the answer you got?
0.9366.
Hello dear, is it 0 point?
Sir,
Your final answer, right?
sir.
9 point?
0.9366.
66. Oh, right. Any other different answers? Others answer if you have any different answer. Nituja? Nituja, can you answer please?
0.9364.
0.9364. Last digit is changing. Any other different answers? Bhavana?
Same answer as Nituja, sir.
Same answer. Okay. Menon, what is your answer?
0.93664.
Menon, what is 0.64? Right. So the first person you try, check your answer again. So the logarithm of this value is 9.364. 9.364. So when you use this negative one, so from this 10 to the power negative 1, if you write this number in ordinary form, one place here, right? So 0.9364 is the answer. 0.9364. Okay, children. Right. So next question is waiting for you. So be aware when you make the expansion, okay? Because that cubic root is common for both. So you make it within the bracket. Huh? So that means when you consider logarithm, log n will be equal to logarithm of 7.23 by 0.056 to the power altogether 1/3. That means separately 1/3 is for both. So how can you write expansion? Simply this 1/3 can be taken in front. 1/3 of logarithm of 7.23. This is 1/3 common. Therefore, you can make the bracket here. 1/3 of logarithm of, what is this? 7.23. It's division, therefore minus logarithm of 0.053. Sorry, 56. Right? Then your expansion is going on now. This is what 1/3 of log 7.23 minus again 1/3 log. You can write in scientific notation. This is 5.6 into 10 to the power 2 places back, so -2. Okay, now this answer 1/3 into the log value minus 1/3 into, right? Your logarithmic value will be here minus 1/3 into this 10 to the power -2 becomes bar 2 point. Then the remaining mantis then you can continue furthermore. Log n. Right? You continue yourself now.
beneficial effects like non-refractory into active parts. அடுத்தது industry. அடுத்தது environmental necessity. all types of activities. lalu kita harus mengenal application of microgram. Application of microgram in agriculture. Application of microgram in agriculture.
Right, one more question for you. H is equal to 0.275 into square root of 19 upon square root of 0.00873. Right? So, as we close to the time here, so you continue the next steps and you find the answer for this. Right? And you try to do this question also. It is equal to that with the help of logarithmic table. You simplify that answer. You try to get this answer to the nearest. Let's say after getting your answer, we will check. Okay. You just simplify them. Then in the next class, we'll discuss about that sum and we can continue the application of logarithms again, and we can move to the next topic indices also. That is the subtopic in the same lesson. Actually, you know, lesson number 2 and 3 are indices and logarithms. So now we did the logarithmic part first, so we can connect with indices portions also. Okay. Until that, see you children. Have a nice day.